Oh boy, he is rolling.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Ooh, what impact. Caught.
This one's not over yet. We've seen plenty of people come back from being in a lot worse shape.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Look out, look out. This could be it.
Big time impact from way up high. This one is over. Now that's how you prove your dominance. Lights out, DDT connects. To the arm, terrible.
I don't know how much more of this he can take.
Looking vulnerable now, guys. This is a bad situation. Oh my God!
Face crusher.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
The longer this fight goes on, the more wear and tear on each competitor. Who is going to have enough to pick up the win?
Given their performances tonight, it's too bad one of these superstars has to walk out of here on the losing end. Looks to me like these superstars are running on fumes right about now.
Man. I don't know how much more damage one person could take. I don't care how tough you are. Boom!
Senton connects.
Taking on any more damage here could very well mean the beginning of the end. He wants no part of the outside. Scoop slam. Eludes that one. When this guy's on, look out. Suplex. Chaos, melee, pandemonium.
Swinging neckbreaker connects. That might just be the final nail in the coffin.
Digging deep for a kick out.
Not yet.
An amazing match so far, guys, but it looks to me like we're possibly nearing the end here.
hip toss into the cartwheel. Beautiful technique.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle.
Whoa!
He misses the dive.
And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
Working on the leg. What's going to happen now? Now in full control. Something big is coming.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Just a step quicker, it looks like. Avoids trouble there. Cutter! The intensity of this match has been incredible.
That's what you call a bad landing.
This could be it.
Nailed it. Wow, what a gritty performance.
We've got to cover. 1, 2, kick out at 2. Oh, that may have been a slow count.
Wow.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
I can't believe this one's still going on, especially after the beating that's been delivered tonight. At some point, the referee may want to think about stopping this one before somebody gets seriously injured.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Uh-oh, somersault leg drop.
So good. Very good. Very accurate.
Here we go. Backdrop suplex. Look out here. This could be big. This could be dangerous. Big move coming.
The head scissors applied. Oh, man, that's just nasty.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. What a brutal beating we've seen dished out so far here tonight.
Scoop slam!
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Nope, reverses it. Caught.
This is not exactly the area you want to be in.
A second time.
Swinging neck breaker. Game, set.
We got to cover. 1, 2, 3.
There's the pin. It's over. It's all over.